Okay, hi guys. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to grow your nails super long like mine. So right now I'm just cutting them down actually because this nail is like broken. But as you can see, they're really long, and here's the other hand. These are my real nails. They're not fake. Everybody says they're fake. They're real. But just keep watching and I'll show you how to get them long. But when I come back, my nails will be a little bit shorter. Okay guys, here's what my hands look like right now. Here's the side I'm cutting, and then here's the side I haven't cut yet. And there's the difference. They look gross, but they're not. I just finished cutting my nails, so they're pretty short. I don't know. They're not like short, but they're like short. I don't know. Like they're short for my nails because they were like really long. So here's what they look like now. But now let's get on to the steps and I'll explain how to grow your nails long. So the first thing that I use is Miracle Nail. I don't use this one faithfully. This isn't one that I use all of the time. I only use it when my nails are looking more dry. I don't know if that's like a good explanation for it. So this one, I don't use a ton, as you can see, but I do use it. Okay, guys, this literally, if you want long nails, I cannot stress this enough, you need to get this. This is called Hard Rock. As I switch up the order, it's not Hard Rock, it's Rock Hard. It's from Sally's. It's literally $5. $5. It lasts long. It's pretty cheap, and as you can see, I've used a ton of it. It lasts for a really, really long time. So that's the first step. I always put this on before I do any nail polish or anything like that. So I will put it on and I'll just show you. Okay, so now I'm taking the Hard Rock Clear Nail Coat, and you just put it on like normal nail polish, and it works so good. Literally, oh my gosh, I'm like out. But it works so good, so you just keep putting it on just like normal nail polish. I will come back with the next step. Okay, so now that I did that, my nails are all like glossy looking, but that is the number one step to getting long nails. Like that is the most important part. The second part is this. These are gonna be your best friend. Second step is do not cut your nails with nail clippers at all. That ruins your nails. It breaks them. It makes them thin, just like hair. It literally makes your nails have like split end type things. So always use a nail filer when you want to cut down your nails. Never cut them with clippers or anything like that, because that will damage your nails. So this is step 2, is only use nail filers. Okay, so step number 3 is literally so easy. Sorry, I'm painting my nails, but make sure when you're painting your nails to just coat them. Not every time. Do like just 2 coats normally, but when you want to change the color on your nail polish, don't remove it, don't start over, just add on top of it. And I know that it doesn't always look the prettiest, but it will be what helps grow your nails. So what I did is I keep coating them every color that I decide that I want, and I barely ever take it off. Then at the end, which it does take a while to get off, like after like a month, then I take it off and I change it, or once it starts to get too thick looking and I don't like it, then I take it off. But barely ever do I use nail polish remover. I only use it when I absolutely need to. The longer that you have nail polish on your nails, the faster your nails will grow, because they're not constantly being hit and broken and torn by things. So step number 3 is just keep the same nail polish coat on as long as possible and just keep adding to it. Don't just keep changing it. Step number 4, do not pick at your nails. Try not to touch your hands. Leave your hands alone No playing with your nails because that's just going to irritate them. Okay, so I think that's all. That's pretty much all that I do. For me, the biggest thing to be using for nail growth really is this Hard Rock clear coat from Sally's. It's $5. Again, this video is not sponsored at all. I also do really love the Miracle Nail. I use them both. I love them both. They're both from Sally's and they're both around $5, so it's not that expensive. The rest of the things are just in this video, and it's just things that you can do that cost nothing. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys try this out and if it works for you. It pretty much should work for anybody. I really do think that it was these that helped grow my nails, and then the rest of the 3 steps that I told you guys. So just make sure to follow that, and your nails should be really long in about a month because that's how long it took mine to grow. Okay, bye!